Google Analytics has been the go-to tool for website analytics for years, but does it still hold up in today's data-driven landscape? Let's dive into the user experience and see if it truly lives up to the hype or if it's time to look elsewhere. At its core, Google Analytics helps website owners track and analyze their site traffic. You can monitor everything from user demographics to behavior flows, which gives you a comprehensive view of how visitors interact with your site. The interface is relatively user-friendly, especially for those already familiar with Google's ecosystem. Setting up tracking is straightforward, and you can easily integrate it with other Google services like Ads and Search Console. However, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. While the platform offers extensive customization options, it can feel a bit complex to navigate if you're not tech-savvy. Additionally, some users report that the reporting features, while robust, can be somewhat rigid and may not cater to all specific needs without some tweaking. Overall, it's a powerful tool, but it may require a learning curve to unlock its full potential. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Google Analytics is free for most users, making it an accessible choice for startups and small businesses. The depth of insights you receive is impressive. You can track multiple goals and conversions, which is essential for optimizing your marketing efforts. On the flip side, privacy concerns are becoming more prominent, especially with new regulations around data usage. Some users have expressed frustration with the lack of clear guidance within the platform, and the constant updates can lead to confusion about features. Additionally, businesses with more advanced needs might find the free version limiting and may need to consider Google Analytics 360, which comes at a hefty price tag. In conclusion, Google Analytics is a solid choice for anyone looking to understand their website's performance. It's particularly beneficial for those who are willing to invest time in learning its intricacies. However, if you're seeking a more straightforward solution or have specific advanced needs, exploring alternatives might be worthwhile. Overall, it's worth trying, but be prepared for a learning curve.